Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is October 7th, and we are going to take a look at VIX, Dow Jones, S&P500, and Tesla, and Nasdaq. So let's start with the VIX. So VIX closed up 0.84, that's 2.75%, closed at 31.36. I am afraid to say that we are coming back again. This is a second confirmation that we are coming back again above this support right here. Stochastic is increasing, so volatility is coming back. It had come down for 3 days, just a little bit below 30, but now we are back over 30. So this is clearly not good for the stock market at all. Let's go look at how Dow Jones fared. Well, look at this here. So gap. We have a gap down on the daily chart, and we are very close to our support again. So this little move up here was indeed not to be believed. We had an inclination. We did not have stochastic over 60, so we were not sure that this would be working well, and it did not cross the resistance. So it had 2 strikes against it, and that was enough to make it go down. Looking at S&P500, the same thing. S&P goes a little bit lower in terms of the pattern because we are stabilizing on the support right here. Let's go see on the 1 hour chart. So yes, on the 1 hour chart, we have lost stochastic over 60. So basically, I'm looking at shorting if we start to break that support, because we don't have stochastic over 60. The only thing holding S&P 500 where it is now is the support. As soon as it breaks support, then it's a continuation of this downtrend. We stopped for maybe 1 or 2 weeks here. We stopped a little bit here, and sometimes when we stop, we have a bounce. We had a little bounce here. But so basically, this can be seen as a rest area, and once we leave the rest area, we continue on the same highway in the same direction. We could be coming back down next week, and we could have a shorting opportunity on the S&P 500 if things don't turn around, but we need to watch that support. And the support I'm talking about is at 36.1932. So that's the support that you need to check. And let's look at Nasdaq. Same thing right here. We are getting very close to our 10.534 support right here. So let's see what's happening next week. Are we going to bounce one last time and maybe try to do something here, or are we going to go there? That's what we are going to have to wait for tomorrow to decide. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk on Monday. There's a holiday in Canada, but I don't think you have it in the States. So I'll be there on Monday. And also, if you are a member, then I will also be there for you on Sunday. So have a great weekend. And I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.